alchemize any negative event that comes your way. In other words, when something happens that you do not like, change it around to something totally different and totally wonderful. This is something you can absolutely do with the law of attraction, with manifestation. It's one of my favorite things to do with manifestation. And when you get really good at this, you start to live the kind of life where it doesn't matter what happens because you can always make it fantastic. All right. So when you learn this trick, life becomes a lot easier and a lot less fearful. So pay attention through to the end of the video so that you fully understand how to do this. Now, again, my name is Andrea Schulman. I've been teaching people about the law of attraction, spirituality, and consciousness for over 10 years. And if you enjoyed this video when it's over, make sure to check out my membership program and see if it's something that you'd be interested in. So far, over 1,100 people have signed up. And this is a program that's designed to help you stop resetting your manifestations. Stay aligned long enough for your life to actually change and become the version of you who actually gets what you want. Again, if you're interested in learning more, at the end of the video, check out the link below in the description. But let's go ahead and get into it, okay? Alchemy is something that you can do with the law of attraction. And what I mean by alchemy is that you can change anything. You can shift a bad into a good, and you can do it instantaneously. And I know because this is something I stumbled upon years ago, and I was so excited about it, I started trying to replicate it in different ways. And it's gone to the point where today, no matter what happens, I can make lemonade out of those lemons. And this is a very helpful thing because with most people, what you'll find is when something bad happens, it starts to turn into a downward spiral. Okay, so maybe the person gets into a car wreck and they get upset about it. And then all of a sudden the repairs are really high and they get upset about it. And then they start having problems at home and they get upset about it. And all of a sudden they start having problems at work. And you'll notice this, where one little bad thing can get you focused in such a way that you start creating all kinds of miserable events in your reality. Now, what we want to do instead is whenever a quote unquote bad thing happens, we want to shift it or alchemize it instantly. So instead of having a negative experience, we suddenly shift the trajectory and we start having a positive one. So this is one of those really important manifestation skills. And I don't know that many people actually talk about it. All right. But it's very, very helpful. I think it's more helpful than actually trying to manifest the things that you want, quite honestly, because dealing with the things that are going wrong is the thing that's going to help you keep your vibration on point the most. Okay, so let's get into it. The key thing about this trick is understanding that there is a flip side to everything, okay? And if I can align myself with the flip side, I take a bounce, all right? So everything has two sides. Everything is actually fundamentally neutral, all right? So a car wreck, let's just say, for example, a car wreck has a positive side and it has a negative side. Okay. How I choose to view the car wreck determines whether I get the benefit or I get the downside. All right. So ordinarily, when something like a car wreck happens, the person will automatically say, this is bad. This is a bad thing. This sucks. Okay. And because that's the way they're projecting into their reality, that fundamentally neutral event, the car wreck, ends up being bad. Okay. So maybe somebody gets injured. Or maybe there are costly repairs, or maybe the person misses a job interview because they were trying to drive there and it just creates this problem issue. Okay. So whenever something on the surface looks bad, we want to avoid looking at it as this is bad. And instead we want to say, okay, everything in the universe is fundamentally neutral. So there's something good coming out of this. There's a good side of this. I wonder what the good side's going to be. I wonder what the great stuff is going to be. That's really the trick. Now, when you do this, you can alchemize any event. So recently I talked about how I had backed my beautiful Porsche Panamera into a mailbox. It was a metal mailbox and it scratched up the beautiful paint on the back of my car. All right. So it wasn't going to be one of those little, you can smudge it out situations. You know, sometimes you kind of run into something and you can kind of buff it out. It wasn't like this. This actually had some structural damage to several pieces of the bumper because there's different parts of it, whatever. But it looked, by my observation, knowing what kind of car this is and what kind of damage was done, it was probably going to cost me at least $1,000 to get this fixed. Probably more like $2,000, maybe even $3,000. Okay. Cause it's a foreign car. It's a luxury car. You know, the price tag for that kind of stuff is high. So when I got out and I saw this, immediately my mind thought, this is bad. Okay. And that's what most people do. You back into a mailbox and ding up your car real bad. Your immediate reaction is going to be, this is bad. Now, what I will always do is when I notice this though, I remind myself, oh, that's right. This is a fundamentally neutral event. And this could be great. There's a positive side to this. And you know what? I'm just going to move forward and something great's going to come out of this. I don't know what, but something great is going to come out of this. Okay. That's what you want to do. Okay. Don't dwell, don't get upset, but remind yourself, this is a fundamentally neutral event and something great could come out of this. And I'm looking forward to seeing what that great thing is. Then do your best to put it aside and move on. Okay. So for me, I had to drive to the gym. I was on my way to go to the gym anyway. So I'm like, you know what? Something great's coming. Got in my car, drove to the gym. As soon as I get to the gym, I am in the parking lot and I run into a friend. And they're asking me what's going on with the car because I'm looking at the back of it. And this friend just so happens to work in the car business and know lots of people and said, you know what, let me see if I can find someone to help you out. And within a couple hours, I got a text message saying, you know what, I found someone to take care of it. Don't worry, it's all taken care of. You ever had that happen? Well, for me, that kind of stuff is pretty normal. You want to know why? Because I expect something great's going to happen. And even though my car still get dinged up, still needed to get fixed, that experience of it shifting so quickly was so exciting and so much fun. And it's given me something to talk about on my videos. And it's always going to be a great story that reminds me of the power of how you can alchemize any event very quickly, very easily. So resist the temptation to catastrophize the things that are going on in your life that you don't like. This is where most people go wrong. They assume that something is bad and that there's going to be a bad outcome. It's going to cost money. It's going to be difficult. And then what you do, unfortunately, is you create that exact experience. All right. And because people are doing this, they start to believe that bad things really are bad because they're used to seeing bad things come out of bad things because that's the way they focus on them. But if you want to be a true alchemist, whenever you feel like something is bad, challenge yourself to remember this event is fundamentally neutral. I, as the creator, get to decide how this goes. Is this going to be a positive thing or a negative thing? All right, let's assume something good is going to come out of this and let it be and watch what happens. And if you enjoy manifestation tips and techniques like this, again, I would love to invite you to check out my membership program and see if it's something you'd be a good fit for. Currently, over 1,100 people have signed up, and this is a program that will help you stop resetting your manifestations. Stay aligned long enough for your life to change and become the version of you who actually gets what you want. Besides access to my members only materials that you cannot find on YouTube, members also have the opportunity to ask me questions and have their questions answered and featured in the membership portal. So if you're interested in learning more about that, again, go ahead and check out the link below in the description. You can see what all is included and decide if it's a good fit for you. In addition to that, if you are new to my work and you haven't yet, please make sure to go ahead and take my free 5-minute manifesting test. This is a very simple, very easy and quick 5-minute test where you can put something out and watch it come back so that you know for sure that you really are the creator of your reality. So take that test now. Go ahead and go to manifestingtest.com. Again, that's manifestingtest.com. Of course, the link will also be below in the description for that, but manifestingtest.com is the direct link. Thanks for watching today's video on how to alchemize any negative event. I really hope that you enjoyed it. And of course, I look forward to bringing you another one soon.